Have you ever stared at a frozen pizza box and wondered how it got there? From raw dough to bubbling cheese and toppings, frozen pizza is a marvel of modern food engineering. In this video, we're stepping into the high-tech factories that mass-produce one of the world's favorite quick meals, frozen pizza. Get ready to follow the journey from flour to freezer. It all begins with flour. In massive silos, different types of flour are stored and automatically measured into industrial mixers. These mixers combine flour with water, yeast, sugar, and oil to create the pizza dough. In a matter of minutes, the ingredients form a consistent, stretchy dough that's ready to rise. Precise temperature control ensures the yeast activates perfectly, setting the stage for a perfect crust. Once mixed, the dough is transferred to proofing chambers, large, warm environments where the dough is allowed to rest and rise. This fermentation process lets the yeast produce carbon dioxide, causing the dough to expand and develop flavor. Depending on the factory, this step can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour. After rising, the dough is sheeted. That means it's flattened by rollers into wide, thin sheets. These sheets then pass through a cutting system that slices out individual pizza bases. A rotating cutter punches out round bases at lightning speed, while leftover dough is reprocessed and reused, reducing waste. Before toppings go on, the pizza bases are partially baked in high-temperature tunnel ovens. This par baking process firms up the dough just enough so it won't get soggy when the sauce is added. The heat activates the yeast further and creates that classic golden brown base we love. Next comes the sauce. A rotating nozzle or waterfall system evenly spreads tomato sauce across each crust. The sauce is typically pre-cooked and seasoned with herbs, garlic, and spices. It's applied with precision, ensuring each pizza gets the exact same amount and distribution. No pizza is complete without cheese. Giant hoppers filled with shredded mozzarella distribute the cheese over the sauced crusts. Advanced weighing systems ensure that every pizza gets a consistent amount of cheese. Some premium brands even use real-time vision systems to spot-check cheese coverage. Pepperoni, vegetables, sausage, mushrooms. The toppings are added next by automated dispensers, or sometimes even by hand for specialty pizzas. Ingredients are pre-sliced, portioned, and often flash-chilled before application. Robots or conveyor belt systems ensure precise topping placement and avoid overlap. Once fully assembled, the pizzas move directly into a blast chiller tunnel. This rapid cooling process is essential. It prevents moisture from soaking into the crust and locks in flavor and texture. Within minutes, the temperature drops to just above freezing, setting the stage for deep freezing without affecting the toppings quality. Now comes deep freezing. Pizzas enter ultra-low temperature freezers, often set at -30 degrees Celsius or colder. Using cryogenic systems or spiral freezers, this step freezes the product solid in less than 15 minutes. Rapid freezing prevents the formation of large ice crystals, which could ruin the crust's texture and the topping's integrity. Quality control is serious business. Before packaging, each pizza passes through scanners and metal detectors. High-speed vision systems inspect shape, topping distribution, and size. Any irregular pizza, whether it has missing toppings or is slightly misaligned, is automatically rejected to maintain high standards. Next, frozen pizzas are shrink-wrapped using transparent food-safe film. This tight seal protects against freezer burn and contamination. Then they're boxed, either manually or by robotic arms, before heading into cases for bulk shipping. Some factories package over 200 pizzas per minute using fully automated lines. Every box must be traceable. That's why labeling machines print essential information: production date, expiration, batch codes, and nutritional facts. These codes allow manufacturers to trace products in case of recalls and provide transparency for customers looking at ingredients and allergens. Finished pizzas are stacked in cold storage warehouses at temperatures of -18 degrees Celsius or below. Sophisticated inventory software tracks every batch. From here, refrigerated trucks maintain the cold chain as the pizzas travel across the country, ensuring they stay frozen from factory to freezer aisle. Supermarkets receive frozen pizzas in chilled containers, storing them in large walk-in freezers. Employees restock the freezer sections, placing the boxes in front-facing positions. By this point, each pizza has traveled hundreds of miles, yet remains factory fresh thanks to a meticulously maintained cold chain. From grain silos to supermarket shelves, frozen pizza is a masterpiece of precision engineering, logistics, and food science. The next time you heat one up, you'll know the complex journey it took to reach your plate, deliciously fast and frozen at its peak. Thanks for watching.